Rogers Xfinity cameras, part of the Ignite smart home system, sometimes require resets due to connectivity problems, glitches, or security concerns. There are three main methods: button reset, repairing, and Wi-Fi fixes. A button reset restores the camera to its factory settings, erasing all configurations. Repairing unlinks and relinks the camera to your account without a full reset, preserving some settings. Wi-Fi fixes address connectivity issues through troubleshooting steps like checking signal strength or resetting your router. Knowing which method to use is key to resolving specific camera issues efficiently and keeping your smart home secure. Remember that Rogers issued a service advisory in October 2025 urging users to reset and repair devices after a global router firmware vulnerability affecting Xfinity branded products. Let's walk through each reset method. For a button reset, locate the reset button, usually a small pinhole on your camera. Use a paper clip to press and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds until the LED light flashes red. The camera will then reboot. For repairing, open the Rogers Ignite or Xfinity Home app. Go to Device Settings, select Remove Device, and then add it back using the app's wizard. Ensure the camera is powered on and within Wi-Fi range. To fix Wi-Fi issues, check your signal strength, ideally 60 dBm or better. Try switching to the 5 GHz band if possible, or reset your router. You can also forget the network in the app, power off the camera for 30 seconds, and then repair. Regular resets, as advised by cybersecurity experts, can help mitigate risks, especially in the IoT environment.